Dear students, now let's discuss about the causes of poverty in India. Historically, there was a low level of economic development under the British colonial administration. Prior to 1947, they discouraged traditional handicraft and also industrial development, reducing job opportunities and income growth. The low level of economic development persisted for many years after independence, and due to population increase, per capita income growth was low, increasing poverty. The Green Revolution improved opportunities in agriculture only in certain areas of the country. The growth in population increased the number of job seekers who had to be content with low paying jobs in rural and urban areas, leading to poverty. Socio-cultural and economic factors lead to extra expenditure, which ultimately increases poverty. There is unequal distribution of land and other resources. That is why there are large income inequalities also. Land reforms have not been properly implemented, and lack of adequate land resources is also a reason for many people to be poor. Small farmers borrow money for seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides, etc., and later on fail to pay, lending in debt trap. This high level of indebtedness is both the cause and effect of poverty. So, these are some of the important factors which is leading to poverty in India. There is a clear need for targeted anti-poverty programs. Although there are so many schemes which are formulated to affect poverty directly or indirectly, some of them are worth mentioning, like Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 aims to provide 100 days of wage employment to every household to ensure livelihood security in rural areas. It also aimed at sustainable development to address the cause of drought, deforestation, and soil erosion. Second, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana PMRY is another scheme which was started in 1993. The aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities for educated unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns. The third is Swarn Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana SGSY. It was launched in 1999. The program aims at bringing the assisted poor families above the poverty line by organizing them into self-help groups through a mix of bank credit and government subsidy. Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana PMGY was launched in 2000. Additional central assistance is given to states for basic services such as primary health, primary education, rural shelter, rural drinking water, and rural electrification. Another important scheme is Antyodaya Anna Yojana AAY. About this, the scheme has been started in December 2000. Under the scheme, 1 crore of the poorest among the BPL families covered under the targeted public distribution system were identified. Poor families were identified by respective state rural development department through a BPL survey.